These homemade brownies are the most moist, soft, chewy ones you will ever make. Freshly made, just look at how it crumbles. To make this, let's start by adding to a bowl half a cup of cake flour. Then add in a quarter teaspoon of fine salt and half a cup of cocoa powder. Mix all these dry ingredients together and leave aside. In another bowl, add in 1 cup of sugar. To this, add in half a cup of melted butter and beat this until it becomes slightly pale. Then we're going to add in 2 whole eggs and beat this once again. Mix until it is properly incorporated. Once this is mixed, we're going to add in our dry ingredients and fold this in all together. Make sure that it is all properly incorporated. Fold until you get a thick consistency that is a little thicker than cake batter. Then we're going to take a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter baking pan and line this with baking paper. Add in the brownie batter, making sure that it is evenly spread out, and bake this for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Remember to allow this to cool, and while this is cooling, let's make our chocolate topping. Place 2 tablespoons of dark chocolate into a saucepan. Then add in 20 ml of water. And to this also add in half a cup of icing sugar. Melt this over low heat until the chocolate melts completely and becomes thick. This is what it should look like. Pour the syrup over the brownies once it has cooled. Remember to slice these only once the topping becomes crusty, and you can eat this as is or serve with a lovely vanilla ice cream. Don't forget to leave a comment if you do try the recipe. Enjoy and catch you in the next vlog.